Welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be solving 169 majority elements. I've probably solved this, but yeah, I've solved this before. Yeah, last month actually. So, um, yeah, I'll probably have a video on this. I think so. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. But yeah, we're gonna solve it again. So let's read the description. Given an array, nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than times. You may assume that majority element always exists in the array, right? So I mean this is like, yeah, it's really simple. I want to say yeah, yeah, okay. So I mean we could do like the theory behind this is you just count all of them, right? And then whichever you count all of them, right? The count the occurrence of each one, and then whichever one has the occurrence more than this, you just return that, right? So I mean, yeah, we could use a counter, right? So we count equals count, counter, and then we put in nums, right? So and then we do for key val and count dot values. I'm pretty sure it's values. I may be wrong. If I am, you guys can sue me. And we'll just get something here called half. So half equals 2. I'm pretty sure I don't even have to do integer division, but you know I will. Uh, yeah, no, maybe they probably have a test case for that. So if val, wait, more than, okay, so greater than half, return uh key, right? Yeah. Let's just see if this runs. Oh, nums, yeah. Is it items? Okay, what's items? Let's submit. Okay, yeah, it's pretty fast. Well, let's I'll show you guys without it. So we do like count is basically just a dictionary, okay? So we do that, and then we do for I in nums, if I in nums, no, in count, and then so if it's already there, then we just uh, plus equals 1, and then so if it's not in there, then we gotta initialize it. So we do count at I equals 0 or equals 1. And yeah, it does basically the same thing. I'm pretty sure that yeah, they do the same thing. So basically, whenever I use counter, I'm basically using this, right? So now let's see what the top 1% did. Maybe they didn't do 2 iterations. Maybe like uh if something appeared and it's already more than half, maybe. Or okay, that's cheating. I literally open the user dot out. Let's see if anyone else. Okay, yeah, okay. So anyone that's not using that, okay. Sort return. So I'm guessing this worked because what is the range? Because I mean, usually, of course, you guys know sort is not it's n log n, so it's not that good. Hmm. I mean, yeah, we could try it. So we do num dot sort, right? So when this is sorted, right? when this is sorted, whatever the middle value is, that should be the majority, right? Because there's already a majority. So we'll just do return nums at len nums by 2. Maybe you got lucky. Okay, yeah, basically it's the same thing. Also, for yesterday's solution, here, I'll just show you guys if you guys want to see. Wait, let me just go back. Cherry picker. Oh, my eyes. Basically, yeah, this was a dynamic programming, and yeah, this was really confusing, so I didn't want to do a video on it, but I'll just run down through it here. So we have a 3D cache, we have rows and columns, and then we have the whole DP thing, and then here we have best. So like we double for loop through everything. Well, not through everything. You just do the 3 options, and then yeah, and then whichever one is the best will eventually be this, and then just return that. All right. Let me go back. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another video.